it. We have a problem with killing.
I don't have a problem with killing. I like a little killing now and then. What's wrong with that?
Killing is an addiction like any other drug. But we're parents now. We have to set a good example. Oh, let's quit, Chucky. Right now. Cold turkey.
You got kidding.
Promise me, Chucky. No more killing. Chucky.
No.
No more killing. We can't do it anymore.
Now
We
be
have a
kind.
future to
No,
think
no,
of.
no,
We have a
no.
child.
Fine. Are you ready? Promise.
Thank you, though, baby. You're a sweetheart.
Now we really will be the perfect family.